Hi, my name is Jim Strauss, and I'm the director of the Science U Ecology Camp, which is a week-long camp in the center region where we try to show some of the best secret places to our campers over the course of a week. We have a very active schedule. The goal is to basically visit some of the most unique places that we have here in Center County, so people know that there's a lot of fun outdoor places to visit within an easy driving distance of home. Some of the places that we spend time at include hiking up Shingletown Gap, which is a very popular place to hike. We visit the Pennsylvania Fish and Boat Commission hatchery at Benner Springs to see trout propagation. We visit the Penn State Arboretum, where I do sort of a mapping explanation. They have a really nice sort of 3D relief map that we go over. The fun thing for me is actually taking kids outdoors and allow them to experience some of my favorite places. My hope is to basically introduce some of these areas. It's one of the reasons we package maps in with our nature notebook so that families can then maybe take a look at this and say, geez, we ought to all go there. So that's really my primary goal. Secondary to that, to allow them to realize some of the different ecological places that we have here. They're not all the same. We talk about some of the similarities and some of the differences between all the different sites and some rationale for why we are going to those sites. So hopefully they capture some of that. And we go over to the life histories of plants and animals, and hopefully a little bit of that sticks too. And that's also incorporated in their nature notebook. So even after camp, they can crack those open and look at a map or read about turtles or frogs or some of the different species that we have here.
The favorite thing that I've seen during ecology camp was probably all of the gypsy moths. When we went hiking and we found that snake, and Dr. Jim caught it and got to touch it.
We got to go on hikes and seeing different types of fish at the hatchery.
It was probably these different salamanders that Dr. Strauss showed us, the little indicators.
I think Science U as a program is very important for outreach and reaching sort of younger kids from elementary school, let's say, through early high school, and getting them interested in all the various areas of science. And I know we have lots of different kinds of camps, including material science camps, and obviously this ecology camp and some pre-medicine camps. And I think depending on what people's interests are, there's got to be a camp there for you. And I also think it's important that as a kid thinking about camps, get out of your comfort zone and try something new and different.